Hi, I'm Derek Hosek. I'm the technical director at Waapiti. Waapiti is a digital signage platform based in Barcelona. It's a cloud-based architecture, serverless, cloud-native, which means we have high availability and unlimited scalability. In terms of the front end, we have one of the most usable platforms out there. You can manage any number of screens with just a few clicks. It has all sorts of advanced functionalities, such as automatic scheduling, tag-based content programming, smart playlists, and you can integrate any kind of technology. We have sensors, you can use LED screens, video walls, any kind of display technology. On the other hand, we have our own development department. The whole platform was developed in-house. And we can do all sorts of interactive applications which can combine with the digital signage. In this case, we've made a touch interface where you can select a certain functionality and you can learn more about it on the other screen using our trigger-based content playback. Finally, we also have a content creation department, which means we can provide content to your projects. And we work internationally via our partner network. It's very easy to become a partner, and you can benefit from this great platform and be one of our partners. So if you want to learn more, please visit our website. That's waapiti.eu.